Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making slime.
So, yeah, and basically he has making slime before, but
never made a video about it.
Yeah. So, the ingredients you are going to need: glue, a little container to put it in,
and
a fork, a bowl to mix it with, and Tide. But we using Tide because it works good. So yeah, let's get right on to the video.
Yes.
I guess. Actually, we are going to need the bowl.
There's only one thing.
I'm sure it fell. So
you literally put all that down there. Even the ketchup.
But we got no ketchup, so me and him are
gonna make some slime.
Yeah, so when I pour the glue into this bowl, come on. So I got these glue together, and my mom said I was okay. So we're making it to make slime.
With what? She didn't say you can use that.
But we don't have no color, so we're just gonna use the blue. You don't want to pour it in?
You can pour it in. I'll bear that.
So here goes the first bottle. He's gonna go to the bathroom, I think. Diggy, who are you? Okay, here goes the second bottle. That's a lot.
So you should only use one.
Well, it's okay, Johnny.
You could use the other one for more. For me. Ow!
Johnny, are you making your video?
Where'd King go?
King
left. Subscribe to her channel.
So now, that's a lot of glue. We are going to be
it was like right there.
Adding some Tide.
Lizzie's gonna be adding some Tide. I don't want to. I get some. I'm back.
It smells so good. So now,
only 1 cup.
I'm gonna pour it in.
There's only 1 cup. That's all you got to use.
Add little by little as you are mixing
it so you don't use it all at the same time.
Yeah, because if you use all of it at the same time, it won't work.
We have food color, change the color, but we don't.
Yeah. Don't worry, guys. I will try to find something to color this slime. So Tide does work.
Tide does work.
A lot of people think that Tide does not work. But we're using Tide with OxyClean. Simply Oxy, but it's OxyClean still. And it does still work. It's very, turn it into slime.
I never agreed to do this. I never agreed to do this.
Now, a lot of, I have making slime before.
Yeah, me too, but
I never made it on my YouTube channel before.
I've made my own slime, but I've never put it on my YouTube channel. I gave it to her. I gave it to my cousin.
He didn't want it because he had a baby.
I had two babies in my house, and
his baby sisters and brother.
And they were gonna mess with it. I don't want them to.